Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Carol and the name of my channel is My Blessed Nest. Today I'm participating in a new challenge. It's called the Make It New Challenge. This challenge is right up my alley because this is a way of life for me. I take something old and make it new. And our host today is Jasenia from Be Thrifty. She's a girl after my own heart. If you haven't checked out her channel, you're going to want to be sure to do that because she is super thrifty and she makes the most awesome things out of nearly nothing. And her co-host is Kiki at Kiki DIYs. If you haven't checked out Kiki's channel, make sure you go over there to get some inspiration for all of your DIY projects. I hesitated to show this project because it's so simple, but you know what? I want to give you inspiration that you can do the same thing in your home. Don't take something that's outdated and drab and throw it away. Give it some new life. So are you curious to see what I'm going to make over today? Let's get started. We are currently redoing our half bathroom, and I have this brown wastebasket that is in serious need of an update. After consulting with my subscriber and friend Melody from PA, I decided that I wanted to use gray as the accent color in our half bathroom, and so I found this old gray paint from when we painted my son's room gray years ago, and decided to paint the wastebasket that color. While I am getting started painting, I'd like to mention that there will be a playlist, so make sure to check out my description box for the playlist as well as the host and co-host channels. You'll be able to watch a whole playlist of inspiring videos that will show you how to make something new in your own home. After painting the first coat with the gray paint, I decided that it looked too light. After consulting with Melody, we decided to go for a darker gray. So I went up into my bedroom for inspiration. I have this shelf that I got at a garage sale, and I painted it, my husband painted it, this really beautiful darker gray, maybe like a charcoal gray. So I asked hubby, and he didn't think that we had enough spray paint left to do this project, and he also told me I'm not the one for the job. I don't do very well at spray painting. So I know we're here to talk about my wastebasket today, but just a little sidebar. Talking about making it new, this shelf, I believe I paid $3 for it, thrifting, and with just a can of spray paint of the color of my choice, and boy, my husband spray painted it for me, and I feel like it really made a great place for my Precious Moments figurines because I was tired of where they were at and they needed some new life. So keep your eyes open when you're thrifting and think outside of the box of how you can make something over. Since my husband said we didn't have enough of the spray paint left and that I wasn't any good at spray painting anyway, I went to what I know and I picked out this pewter gray from my craft paints. I also grabbed one of my artist brushes because I wanted to be able to use it to detail the banding that was around the trash can at the top and bottom, and there was also a piece that connected those two bands. Here's how it looked after one coat of the pewter gray, and then here's how it looked after a second coat. If you look closely, you might see a couple little sneak peeks of my half bathroom. It's not quite done, but we are in the home stretch, and I can't wait till it's finished. If you're new to my channel, thanks for stopping by. I hope to see you again soon. If you like my content and you haven't subscribed, why not hit that button and subscribe today? It's free. And you can ring the bell and get notifications of every time I post a new video. I hope you enjoyed my little makeover for my old wastebasket. I'm excited to use it in my newly renovated room. You're gonna have to stay tuned because that'll be coming up at a later date. I'm super excited of how the makeover is coming along. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I'll link that below. Don't forget to check out my community tab to see what's coming up next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.